Hello everyone, my name is Yawei Li. Today I'm going to talk about our paper accepted in CVPR 2023, Efficient Multimodal Fusion via Interactive Prompting. We propose a prompt-based multimodal fusion method for fusing unimodally pre-trained transformers called PMF. PMF is both parameter efficient and memory efficient. Compared with fine-tuning baseline methods, it has less than 3% trainable parameters and saves more than 60% of training memory usage. PMF is modular and flexible, and can be applied to any unimodally pre-trained transformers. Lastly, PMF can achieve comparable performance with fine-tuning baselines. Multimodal fusion methods aim to simultaneously process the input of different modalities, such as audio and video, vision and language, etc. Prior methods are mostly fine-tuning based and require huge memory costs during training. Recently, prompt-based methods have been very popular since they are pretty efficient. However, prior prompt-based methods have two major drawbacks. First, it underperformed fine-tuning baselines by a large margin under the full data setting. Second, they are very parameter efficient, but not very memory efficient, because they add prompt vectors on the shadow layers in the transformer. Therefore, the backward propagation needs to pass through the entire model, leading to a large training memory cost. As for our proposed PMF model, in the forward propagation, image and text inputs are first embedded into continuous token sequences and fed to the unimodal transformer layers for base feature extraction. The base features from both modalities then pass through multiple prompt-based multimodal fusion layers to get the feature from two class tokens for final classification. In the backward propagation, only multimodal fusion layers take part in the calculation of gradients, greatly saving memory usage during training. All pre-trained parameters in both transformers are frozen during the training. Specifically for our prompt-based multimodal fusion layer, intuitively, the query context prompt and query prompt can be seen as a pair of question and answer with the aim of extracting necessary information for exchange between two modalities. After being translated by a nonlinear mapping translator, the answer is then delivered to the other modality for better cross-modal understanding. Finally, the fusion context prompts then provide the context to the delivered answer to facilitate the fusion. In the figure, the y-axis is the average score of 3 tasks, and the x-axis is the maximum GPU memory usage during training. All yellow entries are fine-tuning based methods. All purple entries are prompt-based methods. According to the figure, we found that, first, PMF is the most memory efficient method. Second, PMF is competitive with fine-tuning baselines. Last, PMF outperforms all existing prompt-based methods. We also investigate the impacts brought by different fusion layers on the fusion performance and memory efficiency. We found that, first, the training memory usage keeps decreasing as the fusion starts later. Second, performance is relatively consistent with the fusion starts earlier. Therefore, adding prompts only on the deep layers is empirically better for the trade-off between performance and memory efficiency. PMF is highly modular and flexible, which means it's trivial to replace unimodal transformers when there are better ones. We applied PMF to unimodal transformers at different scales and found out that PMF can be empowered by larger unimodal transformers, with a very limited increase of training memory usage. Besides, PMF can be equipped with network architecture search algorithms to find specific fusion settings for every different task and data distribution, with an increase in training memory usage. Overall, PMF is a new form of multimodal fusion framework, which is highly flexible and modular and can be applied to all unimodal transformers. Secondly, PMF greatly reduced the memory usage of gradient calculation in the backward propagation by adding the prompt vectors only on the deep layers of utilized unimodal transformers. Lastly, PMF significantly narrows the performance gap between fine-tuning-based methods and prompt-based methods. And thank you for your attention and interest in our work. Bye.